morning, YouTube friends and families. This sofa, it is actually a pull-out couch. So it pulls into a twin bed. I purchased this from an auction about maybe 6-7 years ago, I guess. It's been a while. It was like a going out of business store closing auction. This is a heavy, heavy piece of furniture, partially due to a whole bed inside. But this is not a lift with one hand piece of furniture. This is heavy. And that's how I test whether the furniture is quality. If I can push furniture or lift it with one hand, it's not going to hold up in my house. So I am going to keep this sofa. It's going nowhere. It's in my bedroom. You know, it's a little lounge area. And I am going to keep it, of course. But I wanted it to have a different look, different color. So I purchased the Ikea cover for it. And I did it in my Ikea haul. And it is the Parup cover. So I am hoping that this works, and we will find out together. This cover was on clearance for $49 last week or the week before. It's within the last 2 weeks, 10 to 14 days. And this is the color, which is shiny. So it's more of a gray khaki-like, and it looks more neutral. Because as you can see, I have the gray silver curtains. So it looks more neutral. And because this goes with nothing in the room. And eventually I'm going to paint the walls. I'm going to paint the furniture and revamp the whole room. So I just wanted to get a start, even pull the carpet and get new carpet. Because this carpet is disgusting. So, and it's like 17-year-old carpet. So it's got to go. It's time. And I just wanted to share this with you. See, if you look at the style of the sofa on the box, I was looking for the narrow arms. This is a Loveseat cover. I was looking for the narrow arms. So it doesn't have the tall legs, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. And again, dirty carpet. But I gave this a little vacuum and kind of got all the hair, because I sit over here and do my hair, twist up my hair sometimes. So it was hair everywhere. So I took that. Took the vacuum and cleaned it up. And I'm going to go ahead and put this cover on it and see if that gives this furniture a whole new look. Because Lord knows I cannot afford to buy another sofa. And no way, if I found a sofa today within a price range that I could remotely afford, it would be this heavy, this type of quality. I'm actually going to have to get cameraman to help me with it. Because like I say, this thing is pretty much immovable without two hefty people, 2 men. So let's get started. We'll see how this goes. Bump, bump, bump. Epic fail. It almost worked. I almost had it, y'all. I almost had it. However, I mean, even the pillow cushions, I could have lived with that. This is what I cannot live with. Hang up on it or something. See, that didn't come down long enough. That did not come down long enough. I got all this extra. And even in the front, it's like it's not hanging right. See, all that left. So it is a little too short. I thought about trying to take it loose, but I ain't doing that. Like maybe seam rip it so it'll sink up, putting you in the dark. So I thought maybe, and those are turned the wrong way. Thought maybe I could seam rip it and drop it some more, but nah, that'll start looking janky too. So I'm going to return it. It's not going to work. I give up. But that is, I'm sharing my fails and my wins on this channel. So I hope you like this video. If you do, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and follow me on this journey so that I can figure out what I can do with this couch without getting rid of it. Because I'm not getting rid of it. I'm not. I may dye it. I may try dyeing it black or something. We'll see. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.